Just mixing corn flour with potato creates something amazing. A restaurant owner taught me this trick, and I had to try it at home right away. For this recipe, we'll be using corn flour, cooked potato, chicken breast, cream, oil, and simple seasonings to create crispy corn boats filled with creamy chicken. Start by adding 2 cups of corn flour, the kind used for tortillas, into a bowl. Add 1 cooked and peeled potato, then mix it together with the corn flour until combined. At this point, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Gradually add water while mixing until you reach a soft, workable dough with the right consistency. While we're here, tell me which country or city you're watching from so I can send you a greeting in my next video. Today's greeting goes to Antonelli Santos from the United States. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. Once the dough is ready, move to the stove. In a skillet, heat a little oil and add half a chicken breast cut into small cubes. Cook it briefly, then season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, dried parsley, garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix everything well so the chicken absorbs all the flavor. Now add half a cup of heavy cream and let it cook for about 10 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked and the sauce thickens. Remove from the heat and set aside. Next, take the dough and form small balls. Place them on plastic wrap, flatten them gently using a plate, and then shape them with the help of a container. Take a glass, lightly grease it with oil so the dough doesn't stick, and shape each piece into a little boat, just like I'm showing you. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. You'll see how easy it is. Heat plenty of oil in a pan and fry the boats, turning them occasionally, until they're golden and crispy on all sides. Once fried, remove them from the oil and fill them with the creamy chicken. Friends, look how delicious this recipe. Once fried, remove them from the oil and fill them with the creamy chicken. Friends, look how delicious this recipe turned out. Tell me if you already knew this way of making corn flour boats, and leave a rating from 0 to 10 in the comments. You can also use any filling you like. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cucillo Recetas. My name is Sol from Cucillo Recetas, and I'll see you in the next recipe.